First question is, does the forced conversions is a part of fundamental right under right to religion? See, willful conversions is a right, but forced conversions is not a part of right to religion. So, forced conversions is not a part of fundamental rights under the right to religion. Now, second question, what is RuPay cards? RuPay cards are the first global card payment network from India. So, it is like ATM cards all across the world from provided by India to the Indian citizens. Now, third question, what is FASTag? FASTag is the electronic toll collection system in India operated by National Highway Authority of India, and the money is collected through radio frequency identification technology frequency, making toll payments, and the money will be deducted from the account holder directly using this radio frequency identification technology. And fourth question, giving access to credit cards to small vendors across the country comes under which scheme? It is PM Swanidhi scheme. It provides financial assistance to all the street vendors across India. Fifth question, what is fintech? Fintech is a technology used to support financial services. So, for example, PM Swanidhi scheme. It provides access to credit cards all over across India. So, by using digital technology, they provide financial assistance under PM Swanidhi scheme. And also FASTag, as we read, the electronic toll collection system, that is FASTag, is also one of the fintech system. Now, sixth question is, what is barter system? Barter system is the exchange of goods and services between two or more parties without the use of money. Seventh question, who is the first president of India? He is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Eighth question, what are pressure swing absorption plants? It is a technique used to separate a specific gas from the mixture of gases under pressure. So, Omicron has been fastly spreading across India. So, the need of oxygen has also became increased. So, in that aspect, pressure swing absorption plants are needed, and these are increased in India so that oxygen is supplied and produced at a faster rate. Ninth question, does the PM CARE fund money is from Consolidated Fund of India? So actually the PM CARES fund is the money donated by the public for public assistance. So it will not come under Consolidated Fund of India. Consolidated Fund of India is the government fund where all the projects and all the activities which are under government will be taken. They take amount from this Consolidated Fund of India to make any programs or implementations. So that is not, this is a government money, whereas PM CARES fund is a fund allotted by the public, donated by the public. So it is not under Consolidated Fund of India. 10th question, who is the ex officio chairman of PM CARES fund? Here ex officio means giving the chairman position based upon the position of a person. So as PM is the highest position and the highest authority, he is given the chairman position. For that reason, it is called ex officio chairman, and the PM is the ex officio chairman. 11th question, what is carbon neutrality? It is a state of net zero carbon dioxide emissions. It is one of the aim of COP 26. Now 12th question, how does solar eclipse occur? When the moon passes between the sun and the earth, the solar eclipse occur. 13th question, how diamond rings are formed during solar eclipse? So when the sun, as we know that solar eclipse, when the moon comes between earth and sun, then the solar eclipse occur. And when the sun is completely blocked by the moon, in the first and the last stage of the moon, diamond rings are formed. Diamond rings like structures are formed. So that is answer. Now 14th question is, who resolve the disputes between center and state? The Supreme Court resolves the disputes between center and state, or the disputes between two states, or the disputes between center and state and the other state. Center, state and other states. So all these disputes will be solved under Supreme Court by original jurisdiction.